Thousands of Jamaicans descended on the traffic courts on Melbourne Road in St Andrew as the reprieve period for paying traffic tickets draws to an end.
There was chaos and frustration as motorists waited for hours in extremely long lines. Kalisha Williams was there.
The system bursting at the seams. Chaos was the order of the day as thousands of people tried to get inside the traffic court on Melbourne Road.
I be a taximan who ticket, but I never know someone taximan and taxiwoman in Jamaica. And the whole Jamaica who ticket. Police
officers worked overtime to control the crowd, but as the minutes went by, more people gathered at the gate desperate to get inside.
Look at corporate people here. Some people have one ticket. Some people have two and still can't get you.
The frantic rush comes on the penultimate day of the reprieve period and ahead of the February 1 implementation date for the new Road Traffic Act. This would allow people to repay traffic tickets without penalties. Solomon Morrison had 61 outstanding tickets.
So why you wait so long to pay them?
Well, I'm a taxi man. I have to have ticket. I get ticket unlawful. If you run a taxi, you go downtown, there is nowhere designated for you to stop, let off, or pick up.
This is where the line ends, and believe it or not, it's about 150 meters long. Some persons say they have been here since 4 o'clock this morning. They say the time it takes to get from here to here is about 3 hours, and even then, it's still a long wait in the sweltering heat.
I think the government are doing nothing good about this because this is not what the people them vote for.
Even as frustration boiled over, there were business opportunities.
At Jelly, they keep the pressure away. The spread says stop and go and sell. If anything, I can join back the line down there after selling some goods, you know.
And from selling goods to selling service.
2 days ago, I come up and see the rush and see money. See the people them who can't stay right at the end of the long line. I take it, I go in, I pass it on, get it stamped, get them a date, and then give me a small fine.
But hours later, only a few people required that service as the line started to move after the police called for more resources.
We expect tomorrow that we are going to have a final rush day, so we are putting things in place in terms of getting some barriers so we can actually streamline some barriers so persons actually join the line and we can have a more orderly approach to doing business tomorrow.
Over in St. James, there was also a last-minute rush to pay outstanding tickets.
Pay feet already, but we just can't find the receipts and we'll pay again. So my time, you know, when you get a ticket, and all the while, you have the cash at the time we pay the ticket. But the government believes you have print money and you can't pay a ticket them same time as I get them.
As for the court system itself, we were told resources have been stretched thin and it simply cannot facilitate so many persons without lengthy delays. However, it is hoped that things will improve tomorrow.
We've taken on additional staff. We've also brought down staff from the CAD here to assist. So we're trying our best. So we're just asking persons to be patient. We're going to do our best to process as many as we can.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.